Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you real quickly how to replace the ignition switch on one of these Cub Cadets, and I'm talking about specifically the model that has the push start ignition switch. So again, this is given that you've already tested, you know, your battery was good, your safety switches are working properly, and you're still not getting any power from the ignition switch when you hit the button. Then I'm showing you how to pull the switch out and how to replace it. So stick around. So what you really need for the job is one of these little pry bars, or if you have a clip remover, or if you don't have any of those, just get a good size flathead screwdriver, say about this size, and then you're going to need a small flathead screwdriver that you can stick and find where there's 4 little clips that actually hold the whole panel, and you can't really see it, but I'll show you how you can get to it. It's fairly simple. It comes out pretty easy. I usually start on this side because this is the hardest one because you can't really see, but yeah, I actually got this one already and just trying to feel. Yep, so we already popped this side, and there's 3 and 4. So this is all it takes to pop this panel off. It's just these 4 little clips. Let me get you a close-up. So it's these 4 little clips, and all we did is we came from the side with the little flathead screwdriver and push in on these little tabs, and the panel comes off. There's 2 plugs, one on the bottom, one on the top. This is your main plug. This is your main power that comes from the main fuse. So like I said in the beginning, if you already checked your fuse is good, then what you can do is you come in the back of these 2 wires and you check for power over here, and if you do have power coming to the panel but still nothing is happening when you hit the key, that pretty much confirms that this panel is shot. So again, just order a new one, unplug the 2 wires, pop the new panel, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like, drop a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest uploads, and I'll see you soon. So stay safe, be blessed.